Hey guys, it's Angelina here, and my bird, he grew too much, he grew too fast, and he's still growing some, I guess, but I gotta show you a secret. It's like in the back, if you do this, oh, no, I'm sorry for scaring you, okay. He's not letting me. Stop it. Here, let me see that. Can you see? Don't make this hard for me. Okay. So, he has purple. Right here, he has purple. Can you see? But it's more purple if you live right here. And he has a little mustache right here, and it's so cute. No, that. Okay, good boy. Are you gonna go inside? No? You're too big? Oh, you went in. Okay. Even though he's big, right here, he's right here. Just, where are you going? So cute. Okay, I'm just gonna get him out because I don't want him to get out the hard way. Oh my god. Look how. Come here. Ready? Come here. Come here. Step up. Step up. Come here. Come here. Shake. Good boy. Ready? Shake. He's still working on it. Shake. No? No shake? Okay. Ready? You want to go inside again? Or do you hate it? No? Okay. Watch. This is fabulous. He's my hat now. Don't poop on me now. If he poops on me, I'll kill him. I'm joking. That's I'm abusive. But we. Angel. Good boy. Okay, you can get off now. Please get off. Okay. Wait. Oh, he doesn't like it when I do this to him. So I just grab him like this and put him on his back. He's dying right now. I'm sorry. Get used to it. I'm trying to teach him that too. Where are you going? You want to go inside? No, you change your mind? inside. Patricia. I'm joking. Angel. His name is Angel. No? Ready? Do you see this? Are you ready? Wait. Watch this. Ready? You're supposed to fly back to me, baby. Ready? Come here. No? Okay, watch. Get off. Come here. Come here. You're gonna kill yourself, baby. Baby boy. Come here. Ugh. Come here. Ugh. Okay, I'm just gonna put this down. Okay, wait for a second. Come here. Come here, come here, come here. Get off, please, please, please. Please. You're gonna kill yourself. You're gonna get stuck. You're gonna get very, very stuck. Oh, come here, come here. Ooh. He's a nightmare. But he's my nightmare. Wait. Will you let me? Will you let me? Yes, show the world your feathers. Show the world you're beautiful. Okay. Okay, that's it for now, guys. Like and subscribe, and one more thing. I forgot what I was going to say. Okay, like and subscribe, and bye!